Well, good morning, horse people. Today is the day I'm going to check to make sure that this sinking tank deicer is working and the horse's water is not frozen, and she'll be okay for the Christmas holidays. So let's go outside and have a look and let her out of her stall for the day and check on that ice tank deicer. As you can see, a pretty snowy day, and we're just about to let's test out of her stall here. Open the gate. So we're about to let Tess out of her stall for today. She wants to come out. There she is. Now we're going to go in and have a look. And let's have a look and see how her water is. Well, the deicer's working. Her bucket's not frozen. And then she's got her other little bucket here, and the water's good in that too. So I guess her water's fine, and she should be okay for the holidays. Morning, Tess. How are you? Good girl.